出问题了比较麻烦，不好留档。好，开始。First power on the radio. Keep the driver at middle, yeah?
Throttle warning.
Or at middle. Otherwise, after you start, we'll start driving. It's warning. Just
Switch
press.
warning.
Okay, it's ready. Pump left, pump right, pump off position. Connect the battery. Here, that's the battery. Power at off position. Battery connect. Power on. Yeah, this position all correct. Yeah. So track now start driving. So have a look the engine cover. 你们看一下。After open the engine cover, you can see inside pump 1, pump 2 here. That's a distribution valve. And later we will turn it around. Also see other side door. Okay, first the light. This one. Light on. This switch. Sound system. On. Start engine. So left rotation. Left track. Right track. Start both pump at low speed. Very low speed, just for idle running. So all the pump, if you not start, it's mix control. Also will start, but a little bit delayed. So to operate immediately, keep the pump at very low speed for immediately oil supply. This side. So big arm, this front arm, bucket. Okay, let's see operating together. Operate more smoothly need more operation. Put it back. Turn around, see? This side, after open the cover, you will see the two pumps. So stop two pump, you operate the big arm. You will see this pump is for the big arm. It will start. This pump for the front arm and bucket. So right stick for the big arm, rear side pump. Left switch, front pump for the front arm and bucket. Come back. Stop the pump. In the middle, that's the volume switch. And cabin. And this side have one more cover. That's the speaker inside. Okay, that's all for this excavator. So when power off, first power off the excavator, then power off the radio. To start, first power on the radio, then power on the excavator. So different, yeah.